showing you how you can make your own really cool what's it called, like pickup thing. If you like these shader kind of things, I made them myself. I'll make a realistic graphics thing later, and shaders, how to make shaders. But what we're gonna do today is, as you can tell by the title of this video and the thumbnail, that we're gonna be showing you how to make a click to pick up tool or item. So I'm just gonna simply just get a handgun here. It'll work with almost any free model. If I just go knife, and I'll do it with a knife as well. Knife, I can say yes or no, whatever, it doesn't matter. And you can see that you need to have a handle, or you can make your own. Make sure it has a handle that you can use. If I was to make my own, maybe I was gonna make a card, right? This doesn't just work with this doesn't just work with weapons. It can work with tools as well. I don't want to make like an ID card or something. So I'll change this. I'll get a decal ID. I just get a membership, I guess. Whatever, doesn't really matter. And I was to make a tool and plus workspace tool. This and drag this in the parts into here, and then I would have to name this part handle. So it would work. But I'm not. All I'm doing is making just doing this. I'll just do the handgun first. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a part and make it however I want. I'll be back when I have finished shaping and mind bending this this item. Yeah, this one right here. So be back. My little thing here. And all you have to do is just do this. You don't have to even craft the weapon, unless you have like a mesh. I don't know if mesh would work though. I'll test it over and tell you if they do. But we won't need this. At least not for now. Now I'm gonna put the handgun and put it into source storage. Now all I'm gonna do now is take this. So I just turn it into a union. If you don't want to do this, all you have to do, I'm just gonna really just create a pot. Change the color to like a white, and then just like shape it like that. I mean, like no difference. I'm just gonna rotate this like so, and then move it like that, and then make sure it's anchored though. And then I'll just do this, scale it. I don't know, just do a bunch of stuff. So I guess that's fine. And then I can do like, anyways. So once you've got your part that you want, what you are gonna need to do is add a click detector and a script. Now in the script, you don't have to do anything. Then I have this. So this will be in the description if you need it. So you don't have to you don't have to write it out yourself. If you do want to, I mean, if it's quicker, I don't know. I think copying is quicker. So you can copy it in the description. But yeah, I'm just gonna be basing it off here. So local tool equals space. So I'll tell you when I'm done the script. Then I'm just gonna copy this right now, and I'll paste it into the description later. So I'm just gonna what's called make a notepad. Just gonna create a notepad, texture, save as. and documents, script, roblox stuff, dot log. Okay, there. So right here, I'll just do that. And now let's just see if this baby works. It should. So let's get started. Let's see if it works, guys. If it does, I'm gonna be so happy. So I got a nice knife here. Okay, so it's, what? Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, that's okay. Let's try this now. I was so scared for the moment. Like, oh my god, that won't work. Okay. Okay. I might have accidentally did something that's not that I shouldn't have done. So, yeah, something that happens. Let's say. So local tool equals service to game. Okay, that's what I was missing. Game dot service. Okay. I was like, I keep being worried every time this doesn't work. And we got it, guys. Look at that. Keeps respawning. I can get a bunch of them. I can only get one. So simple. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. Oh my god. Okay, I will put this. I will make this into save to Roblox. Continue. What's called click to get tool. How'd you know? I'm gonna. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Cause I mean, enter. Made by Albums World and watch confused watch how do you spell tutorial at www. I'll put the link later, and then don't mess with stuff if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, so on my YT at, and I'll put in a link later. Okay, that works. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let's do this. Open up. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Smash a like button and subscribe. That guy wants it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, as I said before. And be nice today. Give me a nice happy face. There, give me a nice happy face, guys. Okay, now there's $2 on my screen. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next video.